Good afternoon, my name is Jeremiah with Affordable Mobility Solutions, and today I'm shooting a video of our 2016 Ram ProMaster. This is a rear entry mobility van, manual ramp and door, very easy to operate, very low cost to maintain. These doors just swing open. It's got this smart ramp back here, and what this does, it keeps you from having to pay for electric repairs on the electric lifts, you know. And what it is, got kind of seatbelt looking devices here. You got to push them both at the same time, so one hand on each side, and then grab the handle here and walk back. So I need both hands to do. So when it comes time to put the ramp down, hand on both sides, push those levers. You can pull here, you can grab the handle, whatever you gotta do. You just walk back with the spring assisted. It's really easy to do. I know it's a big ramp, but I'm sitting here holding it with one hand. I mean, I'm gonna guess it weighs about 20 pounds, but take it to the ground, and that's how you put the ramp down. Very easy to do. And I'm sorry, one thing I forgot to tell you on this van, it's got the lowering suspension so this ramp isn't so steep. So where it is, you get the ramp down. When we hit lower, and you can see the suspension actually lowers. Makes it a lot easier to get a vehicle or a wheelchair up in there. It's got the lowering suspension right here on the, you can see it says lower. So super cool feature, makes life easy for you. So that ramp's not near as steep. So again, thanks for checking us out, and let us know if you have any questions. The ramp itself is 36 inches wide, made for a super wide wheelchair. Wheel it right up in here. If it's electric, you know, that'll work too. 58 inches of headroom coming inside the van. It's got 62 inches of headroom inside the van. So a lot of room in these things. You can see all these tracks. You can tie down a wheelchair anywhere in this van. It's got the removable seats, so you can remove that second seat there. You can remove all those seats pretty easy. You get 4 or 5 wheelchairs in there. You can move those all around the van. So these vans are very versatile. You got your shoulder straps that go along up here. Super cool setup. Very clean van. Got your fire extinguisher in there. You know, help keep it ADA compliant. Dash looks great. Steering wheel control so you can keep your eyes on the road. Backup camera. Plenty of plug-ins for all your electronics. Cup holders galore all over this thing. Cup holders in the door. Cup holders there. I think you can have about 7 cups of coffee in here at one time. Got your plug-ins down there for the driver as well. Have your rear air controls. Plenty of storage up top. So, and we do give it one set of free pull-tight, shoe-straight tie-downs away with each van. So once you get your passengers secure, come back out. Come down the ramp. Grab it here, lift. See if I can swing this with one hand. There it went. So obviously much easier if you got 2 hands on it. I'm no He-Man, but I can do it with one hand. As far as the exterior walk around to the van, has tinted windows in the rear. It's got steel wheels, Hercules tires, all in great shape, all between like 9 and 12, 30 seconds, or millimeters of tread. So not quite brand new, but very close to it. So extremely good tires on it. And I tell you what, it's hard to find a dent or a scratch on this van. I'm not saying it's perfect. I see a little scuff right here. Maybe someone backed into them in a parking lot or something. But I hope you can see by my video, I'm trying to be honest and fair as I possibly can. I'm not trying to hide anything from you. Just want you to see what I see. As far as the interior of the van, we always show you the VIN number. That way you know we have this vehicle in our possession. We're not pulling some internet scam. And speaking of that VIN number, you can come to our website at mobility316.com. And you can come over, you can either apply for financing, you can click Show Me the Carfax. We do a free Carfax with all of our vehicles. You can see this ProMaster, no accidents or damage, 1 owner, regular oil changes, formal commercial vehicle, which means, you know, no smoking in it, no pets, nothing like that. Last owned in Louisiana. As we scroll down, Carfax guarantees no salvage, junk, rebuilt, fire, flood, hail, or lemon brands on the title. They also guarantee no total loss, no structural damage, no airbags have been deployed, odometer checks out good, no accidents, and no open recalls. And you can scroll down further and see this van has been serviced. And whoever had this van just serviced the crap out of it, and that's exactly what you're looking for on a used vehicle. 1 owner, serviced well, you know. So these are the kind of vehicles we look for. Very well taken care of 1 owner vehicles. So we go the extra mile to show you exactly what you're getting. Okay, as far as the rest of the interior, very clean. I'm a non-smoker. I can smell smoke from a mile away. No signs of any smoke or unusual odors. It's got the leather interior, the vinyl maybe. Very clean. You can see that little crack back there in the door. Maybe a wheelchair hit it or something, but I hope you can see. Like I said, I'm trying to be honest with you on these videos. Also in the back, I remember seeing here a little crack there. Maybe they stepped on that or something, just a cheap piece of plastic. So got your plug back here as well. So definitely not a perfect van, but overall very nice, very clean van. And any van, that's 6, 7 years old, 5, 6 years old, it's gonna have some little nicks to it and little things to it. The only difference is I'm honest enough to tell you about it. Most people aren't gonna tell you about it. They're gonna let you come out and look at it before they tell you about it. And that's not how I do business. So here the radio works good. No check engine lights on, no airbag, no ABS lights, so there's no dummy lights on. We've tested not only the big stuff but also the small. We've checked the power windows, heat, air, cruise. Everything on this van works great. Let's pop the hood here so you can listen to it run. Underneath the hood, idle smooth, no signs of any damage, no signs of any leaks. Got your emission sticker right there as well, so very clean. As I crawl underneath the van, much of the same. There's no bent metal from an accident. I don't see any signs of any abnormal rust. I don't see any leaks. It's a very clean van. And that's the number one. Sorry, I can't talk today. Number one mistake people make. People make when buying a used vehicle, they assume things. They assume because the salesman was nice to them. They assume because the vehicle looks good in pictures. They assume that it runs and drives good. They assume it's not all rusted out. I want you to go to our competitor's website. I want you to go look at their pictures. I want you to see how many videos or pictures they have of the undercarriage. There's a reason for that. They buy a lot of these vans from New York and Chicago. They're all rusted out. They're all beat up. They've been in an accident. They've been in a flood. And they don't tell you about it. And you're none the wiser until you get the van. And by then it's too late. So demand a detailed video like this. Don't assume things. People get burned on the internet every day for their entire life savings. Don't be one of those people. Demand a detailed video like this. If they're not going to give you a detailed video, who are you buying from and what are they really trying to sell you? So let's get the van out on the highway for a drive. Okay, the final portion of the video. I always like to get the vehicles out on a test drive, give them some gas so you can hear the engine run, feel the transmission shift through all the gears, and that whether you take advantage of our free shipping in the lower 48 states, or if you come in and drive this van home, we've done our due diligence. We've made sure it's roadworthy, that it runs and drives good, that it's not going to overheat. With that being said, please understand this is a used vehicle. We highly recommend an affordable extended warranty with every used vehicle. Protect your investment, folks. That's all I can say. Also keep in mind, we've got great reviews out there. Check us out on Google. Last I saw, 4.7 out of 5 stars. On eBay, we have over 800 transactions. That's 800 people that said we did them right. We have 0 feedback that's negative, so 0 people said we did them wrong. We go the extra mile with free Carfax reports. We do detailed videos like this. Nobody in the country, and I mean nobody, goes the extra mile like Affordable Mobility Solutions to show you exactly what you're getting. So don't guess, don't assume, know what you're getting. Go with Affordable Mobility Solutions. Also keep in mind, we don't have any hidden fees. A lot of these dealers have a real nice price online. Then they got administrative fees and document fees and tag fees. And next thing you know, you got $1,500 in fees they didn't tell you about. And then you got to factor in shipping, and there's another $1,000 to $1,500. And that real nice price you thought you saw online, yeah, they were just tricking you to get you to call and try and play car salesman on you. If someone's not going to be upfront with me, if the price is $10,000 online, the price, other than sales tax, the price needs to be $10,000 when I get there. No hidden fees. Don't be trying to pull stuff on me. Don't be deceiving me. Just be honest with me. And if someone's not going to be honest with me from the very start, I am very skeptical to give them my hard-earned money, especially thousands and thousands of dollars. So that's up for you to decide. If you want to give your money to people that aren't being honest with you from the get-go, well, don't be surprised when you have a few issues you weren't quite expecting. What else are they hiding from you? You have to ask yourself that. So, nice hard brake. That was a tie down back there. That seatbelt is what you're hearing. But the van itself, no grinding, no squeaking, no unusual brake noise or vibration. So again, exactly what we're looking for. If you want to give us a call, 316-262-VANS. That's 316-262-8267. My name's Jeremiah. If you're more of a text messenger, give me a text, 316-518-4377. You've now got the owner's cell phone number. Hey, I want you to call one of those big Braun or VMI companies or Freedom Motors or Mobility Works, and I want you to ask them, say, hey, are you committed enough to customer service to give me the owner's cell phone number? That way, if I have a problem, I can reach right out to the owner. So check them out. See if they're committed enough to customer service to give you the owner's cell phone number. Try that out. We do have financing available. We can send an application to your phone or your email. We can take one over the phone if you're old school and don't do computers very well. That's okay. Let us help you out. Give us a call. And check out our entire inventory with detailed Carfax reports and detailed videos and dozens of pictures at www.mobility316.com. That's mobility316.com. Keep in mind, we do take trade-ins as well. So give me a call. Tell me what you're looking for, how we can help, and we're always happy to help. And thanks for checking out our Ram ProMaster. And as always, thanks so much for checking out Affordable Mobility Solutions, where mobility is affordable. Call us today.